Why do women wear tight clothes while exercising, whereas a guy wears loose clothes while in the gym?
फिगर अच्छे से लगता है ना यार गर्ल्स जो है वो अपनी फिगर को देखना चाहती है सो दे लाइक टू वेयर टाइट क्लोथ्स
या लड़कियां पहनती हैं ऐसे लाइक क्लॉथ्स टाइट टाइट.
कौन सी बात है पूरा शेप पता चलता है क्या शेप है.
You are a guy. Do you wear tight clothes or loose ones? आप पहनते हो टाइट कपड़े?
हम लोग पास सिर्फ एक ही चीज होती है जो टाइट होने पे पता चले.
Do you also wear tight clothes?
No, I don't go to the gym. Do I look like I go to the gym?
This guy is saying my girlfriend has made a new friend on Facebook.
मेल और फीमेल.
Male friend, okay, and it's been a month, okay, and now she's often staying at his place, sometimes even for weeks, okay. Should I take it normally?
Absolutely yes. We are living in 20th century, brother, and it's perfectly fine to.
नो ऑब्वियसली नॉट. ऑब्वियसली
No. Having friends is all right. This is not.
नॉट राइट.
It's not right.
It's not right.
What would you suggest to the boyfriend here? Okay. What if the girlfriend she's indulging into studies or group studies or something like that?
Oh wow. मतलब अगर 7 दिन तक लगातार रुक करके सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर रहे तो फिर तो मैंने पढ़ाई करी है इतने सालों में फिर.
This is coming from a girl, okay? She's saying that I started dating this guy a month ago and I found out that his belly button is pierced. Okay, what does it mean?
Oh God.
Quite possibility that he is transsexual.
आपके फैन पेज पे कमेंट आया इसको इस लड़की को ब्लॉक कर दो इस लड़की को ब्लॉक करो.
Hey, what is happening, beautiful people? Thank you so much for making us India's most trusted street interview YouTube channel. So this week we took some of your funniest comments to the streets once again. So guys, without wasting any time, let us just sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. This guy is saying my girlfriend has made a new friend on Facebook. It's been a month and now she's often staying at his place. उसके घर रहने लग गई है. Sometimes एक हफ्ते भी रहने लग जाती है. Should I take it normally?
नॉर्मली नहीं लेना चाहिए. सीधी सी बात है कि चालू है.
She is already in a relationship and I guess all this stuff
यार कॉमन है बहुत. लाइक जाके कॉलेज में देखो हर दिन एक नया चेंज होता है. नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं. नो
This is not.
किसी की बंदी है यार, तू क्या कर रही है तो किसी और बंदे के साथ.
दूर है. दूर है. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
I think he should leave everything and just focus on what he is doing right now.
फोकस करेगा नथिंग एल्स.
just want her for a fun time.
On her before dumping her.
Yeah.
तो आप इसको क्या सजेस्ट करोगे आप इस लड़के को, बॉयफ्रेंड को?
बस प्रार्थना ही करे उसी से ही कुछ हो सकता है. बेस्ट फ्रेंड सबसे कमीने होते हैं मैं जानता हूँ.
Maybe you should stay with them, you know.
Stay with them and do what?
Maybe just figure out what the hell they do for weeks.
मत कटो, छोड़ो और नई फ्रेंड बनाओ तुम भी
Facebook
जिसके
पे.
साथ पढ़ो. हाँ.
Moving to the next question, okay, this person is saying why do women wear tight clothes while exercising in the gym whereas men wear loose clothes?
Actually they wanna show like they wanna check out all their moves that is it working or not.
Already like who are like me. If they go to gym, then also they'll show off the hot figure, you know.
Some girls they feel that they can give out a good sex appeal or with the kind of
Body fit.
the body fit with
Yeah, yoga pants and tights they do wear.
कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. मैं लास्ट ईयर जिम जाती थी मैं कभी टाइट फिट कपड़े नहीं पहनती थी.
Loose clothes होंगे तो लड़के ज्यादा देखेंगे.
Makes you feel like you have to reduce more.
Okay, it's basically more motivated.
Yeah.
हम दिल्ली की लड़कियां टाइट ही क्लॉथ पहनती हैं.
Perfect figure. 36, 24, 36.
Okay, तभी पहनते हैं.
नहीं वो सीरियसली उससे मूवीज और एडवर्टीजमेंट होता है. रियल लाइफ में सब कुछ नहीं होता. बहुत कम.
कह रहा हूँ पर्चियाँ डाल लो जो निकले.
शॉर्ट्स पहनते हैं, नाइकी के टाइट पहनते हैं.
Do you wear tight clothes while exercising? Have you ever seen any guy wearing tight clothes while exercising?
क्योंकि मुझे देख लो भाई, मैं पतला सा लौंडा हूँ बिल्कुल स्लिम ट्रिम. तो मुझे टाइट क्लोथ पहनने के बाद तो मैं बिल्कुल गाय भी दिखूंगा.
No, not at all.
Absolutely not. I go in shorts.
Guy, he's saying I want to become a girl. What should I do?
What?
A girl. Yes.
भाई साहब.
Sex change.
He should go ahead.
Yeah.
He wants to become
A girl.
a girl. Yeah.
Yeah, and he gave a reason.
I'm sorry?
He gave a reason. Did he give a reason?
No, he did not.
Why the hell does he want to do that, man?
I don't know. What can you suggest to this guy?
Get a gender change.
Same thing.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Dress like a girl.
Just like it.
Yeah, dress like a girl. Simple.
Take so much selfies.
Maybe sex. Yeah.
Start wearing a girl dress.
Okay.
He should wear clothes like girls and wear makeup, lots of makeup, I guess.
I just did Splitsvilla. This guy suddenly became a girl after his accident. This morning, I did this morning, right? Yeah, it's happening. It's happening.
आजकल की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना जनरेशन की, ये वानाबी वाला जो केस है ना, ये बड़ा लफड़ेदार है. मतलब बोले तो लौंडे पता नहीं क्यों लौंडिया बनना चाहते हैं या फिर बनना चाहते हैं. मतलब आप समझो ना, एक लौंडा बनना चाहता है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. मतलब आपके पास जब है तो फिर यार फिर इधर का यूज क्यों करना, ये अगने को करो ना सिर्फ.
It's I mean it's not a free country as such, but it's up to the guy if he really wants to.
Surgically.
Yeah.
Yeah, surgically. Yeah.
So many advantages that I.
Fan following will increase.
Fan following will increase.
Yeah, लड़के घूमेंगे.
So clearly, transform हो जाना चाहिए.
And you get a guy for take a ride anywhere you want.
A green signal.
Yeah, green signal, definitely.
Yeah. If you wish to change, there's nothing wrong. Even Michael Jackson did it.
So did you guys fill up the meet and greet form? Fill it up and get a chance to meet QRT. The form is given in the description box down below. Also, check out some of the best QRT videos by clicking right here. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. To see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. I will see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye. Thank you so much guys for taking out your precious time just for us. Without your love and support, this wouldn't have been possible. And
Like a lot of lipstick.
my girlfriend's mother is hitting on me. What should I do?
Oh wow, wonderful! Yeah. Who doesn't want a MILF experience?